exterminating the lives of people that we think are lesser than ourselves, really? Does that have anything to do with Charles Darwin?
The eugenics movement was grounded in Darwinian biology, and it goes back to Darwin's Descent of Man, where he basically, people need to understand that in Darwinian evolution, how did human beings get to be who they are? It's through this vigorous process of natural selection or survival of the fittest. Nature methodically kills off the physically disabled, the mentally disabled, the sick, the poor, and again, so there are whole classes of people that if you were just in a state of nature, you'd be killed off by natural selection. According to Darwin, that's how human beings became the crown of creation, through this really blind, impersonal, bloody process of killing off the unfit in evolutionary terms. So, move us up to civilized society. Darwin was really frightened and sounded the alarm that civilized society does their best to maintain those people who would have been killed off in nature. And so, as Darwin writes about, we're inoculating people against smallpox, we're helping the poor, we're helping the mentally disabled, we're saving the sick. And all this has basically the conclusion of this is that, well, we're saving all these people who nature would kill off. And so if we kept doing this, according to Darwin, we were going to destroy the human race.
Fancy that. By the way, What Hath Darwin Wrought was shot in Stockton, California at an insane asylum. This is the monument to the morons and imbeciles, their words, that were not only housed, but sterilized there. That was the 20th century.
If you're actually back here, I think this would be a great place. Adrian, if you scoot back a little bit so I can have a better angle, you can just tell us about the product from their side.
All right, your home is a mess, drive-by marriage helps, your kids are monsters, it'll help because it's centered in the gospel, you learn how to apply the gospel, so get it at Wretched.tv.
And then you just hold up the product.
Oh, very funny.
No, the product.
I know, I put it right there.
Where's
I think we've been warned.